morning, you guys. Welcome back to the hen house. I know it's been a little while since I've done an update on these young chicks that I hatched. So I'm going to give you guys a little tour of how they're looking and how they're fitting in. So today they're right at about 16 weeks old, so 4 months. And we're going to let them out and let you guys see as they're coming down the ramp out to their yard. So Allie, let's come on in and let's give them a sneak peek in the hen house first to see everybody cuddled up in there. I definitely think everybody's ready to come out for the morning. Usually they would all be on the perch, of course, in the evening time and through the night. Ooh, she just did a poo. But as you can see, everybody's doing really good. So now let's head out. I'm going to open the hen house door and let you guys see them one by one as they come down the ramp. All right, all the ladies and rooster are out having their little morning treat. I gave them a little bit of scratch, which is cracked corn and wheat. Just a good little treat in the morning. Good morning, Henry. Also, the corn, when you guys do a cracked corn or rolled corn, whatever you choose, corn actually produces body heat because it's higher in carbs. So it is a good thing to substitute with through the fall and winter along with your layer feed. Just helps keep them warm. Adds a little bit of fat to them too if they need it. Now we've done a few changes out here in this hen yard. I actually had some 4-year-old hens that we're going to get ready to go through molting for the fall and actually quit laying. So with them being a little bit older and me having 41 chickens out here, we actually found them some homes. So now we're actually down to 29 chickens, and we're going through a little bit less feed now. I was actually going through a bag of feed about every 5 to 6 days with these 41 chickens, and that's a 40-pound bag. So this has actually lightened my load a little bit also going into fall. I've got all my young chickens here. So we've already seen a couple of eggs about a week ago, so right when they got close to turning 4 months of age. So within this next month in September, I should definitely see that egg production of all these young ones really picking up. As you guys can see, everybody's peaceful. They're out here doing their job. They've eaten this area down already. Super good. They've still got, I'll do a little bit of a clip out here, you guys. They still have quite a bit of grass. So we've got a huge apple tree right there where they like to go under during the day to cool off because it's still pretty warm here during the days. Plus all the apples are dropping, giving them a good treat as well. The area they're in right now that I just put their treat in, they have actually cleaned this area up really good. So I'm going to come back and clean it up even more with my weed eater with all the sticker bushes that they're not going to eat. And probably put a good layer of straw or shavings out here just to keep this area nice and clean. And keep it good through the fall and stuff, just so it doesn't get all mucky. I will put a link up top with the last video I did of these guys as an update, just so you can see the size difference at this age. I don't know if you guys are picking out any favorites or not, but let me tell you, I definitely got mine. All these guys are really tame and pretty sweet, not like crazy, want to fly away from you. So that's really neat. And I think that has a lot to do because we're out here, you know, a couple times a day, giving them treats, talking to them. Chickens actually recognize your voice and familiarity. So it's a really good way. If you guys got chickens, go out and say good morning to them or good night and let them get used to your voice. We've also got out here keeping an eye on all these chickens. I don't know if you guys can see her. I'm going to zoom in. We've got our cat up there. I picked up a couple great mousers, and she comes out here and just chills out with the chickens, and they respect each other. And in return, she's out here getting all the mice and the voles and all sorts of little critters. So good job, Sylvia. All right, you guys. So here's the other farm cat. This is Goldie. Hey, Goldie. This is Sylvia's sister. They're, what, 11-month-old female cats that are spayed. Got them for the barn cats and for the kiddos. As you can tell, she's out here by the hen house as well, waiting for the little mice to scurry if there is any. All part of the farm, you guys. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of the 4-month update of these guys if you've been waiting. All right, Henry, are you done? All right, you guys, enjoy your day, and I will see you in my next video.